New York, LA, Milan, Italy. I know that your girl wanna get up and leave with me. Every week is fashion week for me. I just went to Barney, spent your whole year's salary.
Hey, what's up you guys? It's me, Emma, and today I'm going to be filming a Foxy kitchen like unboxing slash review type thing. So I just got my package in the mail today like 2 minutes ago, and I wanted to sit down and film this video for you guys. So yeah, let's just get into it. The packaging is adorable. So I think I got like a bonus treat thing. These are adorable. These are the like party animals that I saw them on their Instagram. You probably can't see it. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love this. You guys definitely need to go check them out. I used code REESE10 for @ReeseOlivia So use your code if you guys are going to order anything, because I mean you get to save money. So it's like there you can see the animal, the elephant, and they are so cute. And I didn't even know what this is. They're adorable. Piper's gonna love these. And then I ordered so this is the packaging. I just opened it a little. And it says Foxy Kitchen, and I ordered the pancake ones. So they smell so good. I don't know how to explain it, but they smell like not like a gingerbread cookie, but like they are so cute. Oh my gosh. Like the packaging is so nice. And like none of them broke while like in the mail. So these are the cutest things. I'm sorry about my nails, guys. Oh my god, these are so cute. These are adorable. So I don't know exactly how many you get. You get 1, 2, I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm probably wrong. I don't know. I think you get 7. I'm not sure. These are so cute. You guys definitely need to go order from them. I'll put their Instagram somewhere on the screen. I love these. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to bring these to the ponies. They're gonna love them so much. So yeah, when I go to the barn, which I think I'll be riding on Thursday maybe, I'm not 100% sure. So hopefully then I'll give it to them. And then I'll post pictures on my Instagram so you guys can see. So follow my Instagram too, so it's en.eventing. So there you can see like I post stuff. And then so definitely go check out Foxy Kitchen on Instagram, because they have the cutest things, and it shipped really fast because they have a ton of orders they're getting in, and it came so fast. I think they shipped them on Friday. I'm not sure. And then they were here on Monday. Like, they're amazing. I definitely recommend them to you guys. So go follow them and follow me on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And also comment some videos you'd like to see from me and Maya down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!